Hi everyone, we are Team 12 and today we are going to take you on the journey through the life of the new age superhero, the vocal hacker. We are going to divide his life into the following sections. Every superhero needs an awesome origin story and the vocal hacker is no exception. An ordinary man, Vormir Hulk, went to a karaoke bar with his friends and looking to impress a girl, he started singing his favorite song, but was surprised to find that his friends were laughing at him. Heartbroken, he realized that he needed two things in his life. First and foremost, an algorithm to make him sound better, and second and more importantly, a better set of friends. Every superhero needs inspiration on his quest, and dear Vormir chose two deadly weapons. The first one was a research paper titled Speech to Singing Synthesis, and the second, the NUS 48E Sung and Spoken Corpus. Being a fan of old school superheroes like Professor Big Shot, Vormir did not use any new fancy deep learning techniques such as GANs. The speech to singing synthesis is comprised of two parts. The first is the world vocoder that converts the speech into the frequency contour, the spectral envelope, and aperiodicity. He then used a frequency control model, speech synchronization approach, and duration control model to transform these features into features that represent a singing voice. The next weapon in his arsenal was the NUS 48E data corpus, which consists of 48 English songs, out of which 20 are unique, and more than 25,000 recognized phoneme instances. We have an example of the time-aligned phonemes and a sample spectrogram from the corpus. Next is the model that he used to develop this algorithm. It starts with the input, which is the singing audio and the speaking audio, which are then passed through the world vocoder to get the frequency contour, the spectral envelope, and the aperiodicity respectively. The audio is also passed through a synchronization and duration control module. Then we pass the features obtained from the world vocoder through a frequency control module and a timbre transfer module, and finally through a resynthesis layer that gives us the synthesized audio.
In his quest to sound better, a superhero Vormir conducted several experiments. Initially, he used NMF and PCA to learn bases and used those along with weight metrics to reconstruct audio. However, the results were discouraging. But Vormir did not give up. He came up with a frequency control algorithm to aid in the reconstruction of the song. With the spoken lyrics as this,
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me.
the synthesized audio output was this.
Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white.
The results were promising, but they did not sound natural. He analyzed the outputs he got and found that he needed to match the duration of the phonemes in spoken audio to that in sung audio by using a duration control module. The outputs he got by employing that were promising, and here is a clip of that.
Edelweiss, Edelweiss.
Happy with his success, Vormir came up with three evaluation metrics to measure the outputs. First, he computed similarity between the original song and the reconstructed audio using a normalized dot product. Next, he also calculated the naturalness of the reconstructed audio by asking his fellow superheroes to score the audio and averaged their results. Having defeated his first rival, a vocal hacker moved on to timbre transfer. He used the existing frequency and duration control modules along with an algorithms to match phonemes between the two different individuals with a pre-specified tolerance. With this method, the output that Vormir obtained is as follows.
Vocal Hacker achieved to rejuvenate his powers to see some exciting results. Using frequency and duration control model, he could achieve the average similarity index of 0.87, and based on the anonymous opinions of the people in his city, the naturalness index of 0.85. Now he also has a power of voice changing, where he can convert a genuine singer's voice into his own. But due to his arch rivals, who could not see him becoming more and more powerful, they tried to limit his average similarity index to 0.74. Let's talk about his superpowers, such as lyrics to melodious speech conversion, voice changer, and wait for it, phoneme prediction. The vocal hacker was able to develop his musical abilities to the point where he can predict phoneme spoken with an accuracy of 67.4% using XGBoost. This is the time to discuss about his arch rivals. Different accents still confuse him. He is not very confident about his phoneme prediction skills. This is a surprise for you guys. Based on his current capabilities, he has given a series on Disney Plus, but what he aims for is a leading role in Avengers with a 5-movie deal. What can take him there? You guys. Please appreciate his hard work and give him 5 stars so that the overlords at the Marvel MLSP give him the 5-movie deal.